So in this video, I'm going to present to you the ProFirm Trading Mastery Program, a 6-month intensive training on institutional forex trading and portfolio management. So this is the program methodology. Number one, we have trading materials, and number two, we have trading schedules. Under the training materials, you're going to have complete access to the video course, which shows you everything you need to know about forex trading from beginner to advanced level and how you can start managing portfolio properly. Then you're going to have a complete set of tools which make your analysis easier for you, and also you're going to have a complete trading playbook. Inside the playbook, you're going to have a step-by-step process on what to do and what not to do before you make any trading decision. Then the training schedules is as follows. Remember, this training is going to hold via weekly Zoom meeting every Saturday and Sunday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. As you all know, my name is Bilal Abdullahi. I'm a forex trader and the CEO of Bilahud Limited. And I'm going to share more details with you guys on how I started my forex trading. Bilahud Capital Limited is a subsidiary company of Bilahud Limited with the RC number 9202005. So Bilahud Capital Limited focus on raising a new generation of financial educated individuals who understand both institutional trading and wealth creation. Our aim is to teach you how to trade properly and is to help you unlearn everything you know about forex trading and relearn the proper approach to trade the forex market. So, who are the key players in the forex market? Number one, we have retail traders, and number two, we have institutional traders, and number three, we have market makers. So, who is a retail trader? A retail trader has the wrong approach to the market, has the wrong mindset about the market, and the wrong belief about the market. Who are the institutional traders? They are banks, hedge funds, and investment firms. This is the process we want you to implement, and this is the system we want you to build as a trader, because these are the real people who makes money from the charts. They don't go to the market guessing entries. They don't go to the market looking for when to buy or sell. They know exactly when the market moves. They know how far the market's gonna move. They know when to enter and when to exit the market because they work with a system. They have an edge. So this is the type of trader that we want you to become, and it is possible if we can understand the market to an extent that we know exactly when the setup play out. Then why not you? And this is the reason why we invited you to this program so that you can move from a retail trader to an institutional traders, because these are the real people that makes money from the chart. Then who are the market makers? They are the liquidity providers, banks and brokers who has huge amount of money in the forex market, and they have the opportunity to match others. They have the opportunity to stabilize price. They have the opportunity to, determine the next direction of the market, and they know exactly what they are doing. If you cannot beat them, then you have to join them. And this is exactly what the institutional traders does. They know they cannot be the market makers, so they have to join them. There is this particular day that the market makers provide liquidity in the market, and the institutional traders understand those days, and these are the only days that the institutional traders trade. No magic, no secret. It is just an information that you need to have access to, and we're going to provide it for you here. So, how ProFirm trading works? Number one, you register for a challenge. Number two, you must follow trading rules. Number three, you pass the evaluation stage. Number four, you earn profit split. And number five, you scale up. Most pro firms start with an evaluation or challenge account. For example, you buy 5k accounts with, let's say 50,000 naira, or you buy 10k account or 50k account or 100k account. It depends on your budget. Then you start trading the challenge account. Remember, the purpose of the challenge phase is to test your discipline, your risk management, your consistency, your emotional control. They want you to follow a process, right? They want you to follow a system that can help you to manage the account properly when you get funded. For you to pass the challenge account, you need to follow these common rules. As simple as that. As simple as that. For example, your take profit target could be 8%, your daily loss limit could be 5%, your total drawdown could be 10%. If you break these rules, the account fails. You're gonna lose the account that you purchase and you buy more until you're now ready to stay calm and follow the rules. So, in this program, we're going to take you straight to the point where we show you how you can follow the rules, what to do, and what not to do. All of this will be included in your trading playbook. If you hit the profit target while respecting all the rules, you pass the challenge account, you get to the founder stage, then the pro firm upgrades you to a fund manager. You are no longer under test. Now you already have the trading capital that you need. Then you don't risk your own large capital anymore. Imagine after passing the account, you were given a 5k funded account or a 10k funded account or a 100k funded account, depending on the one that you purchase. And you have access to this money and you can start making profit from it. That's a very big opportunity. So when you earn profit, you and the firm company share the profit. The common profit splits as 70/30, 80/20, 90/10. But the most common one that is general in the market is 80/20, which means that you're gonna take 80% of whatever you make and the firm company gonna take 20%. For example, if you make $10,000 profit on a funded account with an 80% split, you keep $8,000 and the firm keeps $2,000. Very simple business, no stress, no higgy haga. This is how every successful traders grow, making money from the chart. And this is what every beginner does to grow from no capital to having their own personal capital to trade with. A good firm trader doesn't focus on making money first. They focus on protecting their capital, they focus on consistency, and they focus on long-term scaling. Many firms allow you to trade and scale from 5k to 25k to 100k to 50k even to 1M. So this is how many skilled traders become fund managers without starting with huge personal capital. And this is what the program is all about. Inside the Profem Trading Mastery Program, you're gonna have a 12-month Profem Trading, partnership where we help you to grow from just 5k that will be provided for you for free in this program and grow from there to $10,000 to $500,000 to $1 million. Depends on how consistent you are and how disciplined you are and how determined you are to really get result from what you're going to learn in the program. But believe me, this is really, really achievable. And if we can get results from testing this model, why not you? It is so possible. You just need to follow rules, use our system, and not just that, We're going to actually show you how you can also discover your own system that will allows you to grow from this 5k to 25k to 100k to 50k, even to 1m. We're going to give you the mentorship that you need. You sit with us one-on-one via Zoom meeting. We show you on charts. We define the chart for you, explain the chart for you, break down the chart for you. We show you the why and the what in the chat, right? And then we'll also give you access to the complete video course of this program so that on your own, when you are less busy, you go through the videos and you learn more. So I actually started trading professionally in 2023, and I was very lucky then to have access to institutional trading approach. I didn't start with the retail trading concept because I have access to the right information. And this is one of the advantage that you have when you start having access to the right information. It helps you to cut off all the negative, experience, all the blowing account stories, because when you start properly, you know exactly what to do. And this is one of the things that happens to me that I really thank God for that. I didn't start with the wrong approach. I started with the right approach, and which is what I'm also want to give every one of you that will be part of this program. So in 2024, I started teaching institutional trading at Starnet FX Academy in Abuja. And in 2025, I built hybrid AI and I authored the TTF entry model, which is the strategy and the system that I currently use to trade with, and which is the same strategy and system that you're gonna have access to in this video. So the hybrid AI is an institutional trading robot. It's not the kind of robot that you know out there. This robot is designed to trade at institutional level. It takes only two maximum trades in a month, targeting 1:5, making 10% in a month. And the model of this robot is to compound capital and protect capital at the same time, not your regular trading robot that you know out there. And this robot is designed with the TTF entry model. I'm gonna explain that more to you subsequently. I launched the 12 months Profem Trading Partnership Program to help beginners like you go from $5,000 to $10,000 to $50,000 to $500,000 and even $1 million. If you practically implement what you're gonna learn, this is really possible. If you follow the process and you trade with our system properly, this is really possible. Okay, so how do you go from someone who knows nothing about the forex market to someone who can actually trade the forex market institutionally? In this program, we're going to help you to build the right mindset. We're going to help you to be disciplined. We're going to help you to be consistent. We're going to help you to follow rules. We're going to help you with the right skill that you need. So the mindset is what really matters on this journey. If you don't have the right mindset, you're not really going to get result that you want. The right mindset is when you are ready to learn from your mistakes, is when you are ready to unlearn everything you know about the market and relearn the proper way to trade the market. And the mindset is also for you to stop thinking like a retail trader and start thinking like a fund manager. A retail trader doesn't know anything about accounts management or portfolio management. All they know is they want to make profit in the market. But a fund manager knows that his first job is to protect his account and compound the account. So you need to work on your mindset, and this program is designed to help you do that. All right. Number two is discipline. Fix the trader and the trade will fix itself. Now, how do you fix the trader? Is by being disciplined, sticking to your trading rules, sticking to one strategy, avoiding impulse decision, managing risk effectively and properly. This is how you become a disciplined trader. And when you become a disciplined trader, it will be part of you. You're no longer trading like a retail trader, and now you start trading like a fund manager. And consistency. A lot of people misunderstand consistency. Consistency is not being actively trading in the market. That's not what it's all about. Number one, consistency means being patient to wait for your setup to come out. You execute regardless you're gonna be successful or not, or regardless the previous one was successful or not. That is what consistency is all about. These specific rules are guidelines and criteria you follow when making trading decisions, such as your entry level, your exit level, and your position sizing, your risk percentage. These are the rules that we're gonna actually gives you. You follow it properly, you trade professionally. Then the skill. The skill includes the technical and fundamental analysis, which you need to actually trade the market profitably and professionally. The technical analysis helps you to understand the direction of the market, when the market will start buying or selling, and when you should enter from and when you should close your trade. That is what technical analysis does for you. The fundamental analysis is you understanding the global economy and the effect of this economy on the forex market, and you leverage on that data to make a trading decision. You're gonna learn all the skills in this program. So you're gonna have access to the Profirm trading plan. You follow this plan like a cycle. You plan your trade, you trade your plan, you plan your trade, you trade your plan. This is how you keep the cycle. You don't change anything. Of course, the result is doing the boring thing. And we give you this plan, you continuously follow it without changing anything. Next, we give you Profirm Trading Journal. Yeah, this is a practical process on how you can document your trade so that you learn from your trade and build your own strategy. We are not just handing over our system to you. While you are trading with our system, you are also learning how to develop your own strategy by journaling your trade. We're gonna give you access to Profirm Trading Playbook. Remember, I talked about playbook previously. Inside this playbook, you have your monthly goal, you have your trading style, you have your time frame mapping, you have your entry level, you have your exit level, you have your risk factor. So this is like we are handing over the deep secret of our trading system to you. And believe me, this is what you need to actually become a profitable trader, not just a profitable trader, an institutional trader. This is what you need. So let me ask you a question. Since you have been trading so far, do you have a specific target or a specific goal every single month? Or you are just trading and making profit randomly? Have you ever sit yourself down and set goal for yourself that this is the amount of money that I want to make in a month? Have you ever done that? And if you have ever done that, how consistent do you get a result? Look, goal setting is not just about you deciding what you want, it's about fixing your trading strategy to give you what you want. It's about refining your trading strategy to consistently deliver the result that you want every single month. Do you have that strategy? Do you have that trading system? Are you confident in that system? Have you tested it for a full 1 year, which is 12 months? And does it deliver that result consistently in a year? Have you done that? If you have not done that before, you are just you know, learning right now, because this is the reason why you have been blowing your personal account. Or maybe if you are trading Profem, this is the reason why you have been blowing your Profem account. Because a proving system must have a specific goal target, and that system must deliver that target. And this is exactly what our system is built to do. The system is built to deliver minimum of 10% in a month, no matter the size of your account. Even if you are trading with $10,000, with $100,000, with $1 million, this system is designed to deliver 10% every single month. And we have tested it for a whole 12 months. See, trading is not what you really think about. It's not about flipping account. It's about having a system that can repeatedly deliver same result, same month, same year, same month, same year. This is what a trading system is all about, because this is the only system that can help you to protect your account and compound your account at the same time. Because whatever you make, whether you like flip $5 to $1 million, you definitely gonna lose it back to the market if you don't have a system that can repeatedly deliver results same month, same year, every single year. If you don't have a system that you are 99% sure about the win rate, the risk to reward ratio, the risk percentage, you have not started trading at all. And this is what institutional traders focused on. They are not in the market to flip account. They are in the market to follow a single process repeatedly, year in, year out. They are in the market looking for just 10% every single month. And this is the reason why most traders cannot trade Profem accounts. If you look at almost all Profem companies, their maximum profit target is within 8% to 10%. Do you just think they just decide to set that target? No, that is how the industry works. That is the industry standard. That is the industry standard, and that's all every single traders need to make in a month. Does that mean you cannot go beyond 10%? You can go beyond 10%, but it will really gonna hurt you along the way. It will not be sustainable to you. And believe me, if you are here looking for how to make 100% or 200% or 1000% because you see someone doing that on social media, this program is not for you. I'm telling you the truth right now. It is not for you. This program is designed to target 10% every single month, because this is the approach institutional traders take. This is how institutional systems are built. We are not here to teach you how to flip $5 to $1 million. No, no, no. We are here to teach you how to manage and protect accounts and compound the same account consistently. Do you know the type of trader you are? You don't have idea. You don't know whether you are a scalper or you are a day trader or you are a swing trader or you are a position trader. You don't know at all. You are just in the market, trying to make profit. In the morning, you are in the market. In the afternoon, you are in the market. Midnight, you are in the market. What are you doing there? Is it your father's house? And the reason why you keep coming back to the market is because you don't even know the type of trader that you are. You don't know your trading style. You don't know whether you are a scalper, you are a day trader, you are a swing trader, you are a position. You don't know at all. And if you are not aligned with the market with this, By identifying the type of trader that you are not really going to get what you want from the market. That is why they said every profitable trader develop his own strategy. Every profitable trader develop his own strategy. Why? Because that strategy is built to align you as a trader with the market. Are you that person that want to trade in the morning? Are you that person that is comfortable with 1:3 risk to reward ratio? Are you that person that want to trade in the evening? Are you comfortable trading on 50-minute time frame or 4-hour time frame or 5-minute time frame? Your strategy is your alignment with the market. So we're gonna introduce you to our trading style, and you tried it, you see if it is working for you perfectly, you focus on it, you don't need to discover any strategy anymore, you just keep implementing our trading system forever for as long as you want. And we're also going to help you to build your own strategy to find your alignment in the market, because this is what this program is designed to assist you with. What time frame are you using to trade? You need to take your analysis on 4-hour time frame or daily time frame or 1 hour time frame, then you come back to 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. How do you align this time frame? What do you know about this time frame? How do you get to that conclusion? What make you decide? Do you understand the forex framework? Do you understand how each and every time frame align together? The candlestick transition from a particular time frame to another time frame. Do you have that understanding? How do you know that this is your key level, this is your support and demand zone, this is order block and all those stuff? How do you know all of this? Do you know how to identify valid order block? What are the signal that shows a valid point of interest? Do you know all of this? So when you have access to this important information, you can see how simple and easy trading becomes. Are you entering at the wrong time? Are you entering at the right time? I can simply tell you that I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging. I know the date and the time that I execute my trades. I know it. If I tell you that my setup is gonna play out on so date, go on that day, you're gonna see it playing out. This is how professionally you should trade. And this is how we want to train you to be trading. How about your exit level? Where should you take profit from? Okay, I believe you watch 1 or 2 YouTube videos, or you've joined 1 or 2 mentorship before, or you buy 1 or 2 online courses before, and they always tell you that take profit at the recent high. That is retail trading approach. Who tell you that the market is gonna reach the recent high that day? And this is why a lot of you get disappointed. You execute a trade, you target the recent high, market didn't get to the recent high. Boom, come down to your entry and kick you out. You lost the money, maybe after giving you, you know, 80% profit or even 90% profit, very close to your TP. And before you know, it didn't hit your TP, come down and kick you out. That is because you don't know your exit level. And the recent high doesn't determine exit level. What determines exit level is your risk to reward ratio. And you don't just blindly determine your risk to reward ratio until you have backtested and forward tested your strategy for 12 good months. 12 good months, nothing less. I call it 360 market cycle. You have to walk the clock before you can actually see what is happening in the market. Before you can start seeing how market review its behavior to you. This is exactly how you can know, okay, wow, this my system actually gives me 1:3 risk to reward ratio consistently, or maybe 80% of the time. Then you now focus on that risk to reward ratio. And if you don't back test and forward test, you will be able to know that. So we have done that for you. So we're giving you a system that works perfectly with 1 is to 5 risk to reward ratio. It delivers 1 is to 5 risk to reward ratio. You can have something much more than that. Maybe on your own personally, you can discover a 1 is to 10 risk to reward ratio, and which is a big congratulation for you because we want you to do better than us. We want to be proud that one day this is our student who has become so excellent more than us in the market. We'll be very, very proud of that. So, what is your risk factor? Are you taking 1% risk in a day? Are you taking 3% risk in a day? You don't just wake up and start risking 1% in a day, or 2% in a day, or 3%. Your system determined that for you. You are here to have access to everything that you need, and these things are inside the TTF entry model. Everything you need to become a profitable trader in the next 6 months, you are good to go. No guessing, no guessing. You become a profitable and professional trader. You learn the principles, you find the values in this program within 6 months. That is where the hard work is. You put in 80% effort for 6 months and you are done forever. Then, after this program, the only thing you do is to put in 20% effort. Come to the market the day you are expecting your setup. You get the setup, you execute your trade, you go back and rest. You go back and rest. Within just 1 hour to 2 hours in a day, you are done. That is what TTF entry model is all about. Everything from your entry level, take profit level, stop loss level, every single thing, your risk percentage, risk to reward ratio, everything has been figured out. The day you trade, the time you trade, your profit target every single month has been figured out. It has been figured out. So we are handing over a fruit for you to start eating. When you join this program, you keep using this trading system forever, forever, forever. But mind you, before you join this program, we're going to give you a registration form, and this registration form comes with your details because you are not just a student, you are Belahood Capital Insider. Because this information is limited to the student that join our program. There is nothing that can take this information outside. And if you're not really ready to protect this information, please don't join this program. I'm not begging for students. I'm sorry to say this. I know why I'm saying this. This information is very, very sensitive. And this is the reason why I limit the number of students that I take every single month. And I will not do this continuously. Once I get a number of students that I need to expose this TTF entry model to, I close this mentorship forever and I'll be working with them inside the inner cycle for as long as we are together. Are you ready to be part of this program? So, hear what one of my students said. He said, "Hi, bro, you are a beast with gold. I have been following silently, and you know your onions where gold is." This is the community that I used to give signals free using the TTF entry model. For a complete 2025, I gave this signal every single month consistently. Consistently. So don't joke with this. Don't joke with this strategy. Don't joke with this system. And don't joke with this program. If you are ready to learn how to become a professional trader, you bought 200K Profit account and 400K Profit account, and he used the signal to pass the two challenge account. That's the kind of result you get when you join this program. I'm not going to show you a lot of testimony here because I'm not just actually here to convince you to join this program. I'm just here to show you what is possible. And if you believe in yourself and you believe that you can really do this, you can really do this, then there's no much story here. This program is for you. This is another student in my hybrid AI system community, and this community is all about the hybrid AI robot. and he used my signals to pass his Profem challenge account and get his first payout. There's another student pass his challenge account. I personally congratulate him. Ahmed was blowing account before he met me. You can be Ahmed in the next 6 months. You can be Ahmed. This is one of my students. She passed her Profem challenge account. Very easy. So not much story. This is one of my Profem accounts where I withdraw my payout. It's a decision for you to make. So are you ready to change your story in the next few months? If you're ready to change your story, then this is for you. And you must be a trader who is tired of blowing accounts. You must be a trader who is trading below 50K funded accounts, and you must be a serious trader who wants to become a fund manager. If you are one of these, yeah, this program is for you, and I welcome you on board. But if you are a trader who is looking for a daily signals, if you are a trader who is chasing quick profit and quick ways to flip accounts, or you're a trader who is not ready to follow structure, place and place, this program is not for you. You can just go and keep, you know, trading the way you have been trading, keep losing your personal money to the market, instead of following the exact blueprint that I am a student and following to get result. You can just go and keep doing what you are doing. Maybe when you are tired, you'll find a way out on your own. So this is the registration form right here. So I'm gonna share the registration form in the Telegram community on first. Yeah, that is where we'll start our registration on first. Please, you have to be online exactly by 8 a.m. prompt 8 a.m. in the morning. This is when I will drop the registration form so that you can download the form, print out the form, and fill the registration form. And also you're gonna get the payment details in the Telegram community. Then you use the payment details, you make the payment, then you attach your proof of payment to the registration form, and you snap or you scan after filling the form and send it back to us. So these are the details you need to fill: your full name, your phone number, your email address, your home address, your occupation, your trading experience. So why do we need these details? Is because we will give you access to a free 5K Profem challenge account. So immediately you fill this form, you return the form to us. Then after you start your program, you get to the stage where you need to start, trading with the Profem account. Then we use these details to purchase the account for you. The Profem account is your own, it's not our own. We are not using our details to purchase the account for you. We are using your details, it belongs to you, right? Then we help you to manage the Profem account professionally and profitably in the inner cycle, right? Then the registration fee is 300,000 naira for the 6 month intensive training, and this training give you access to structured virtual one-on-one classes which holds on Saturday and Sunday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. We might have a different time for new students that are joining us in the future, but for now this is the time that we hold our classes via Zoom meeting: Saturday, Sunday, 8 to 10 p.m. Then you're gonna have access to the complete video course, which covers everything you're gonna learn in 6 months, which means that while we are holding the Zoom meeting, we are also having, the video uh, course that you can go through at your convenience, right? So you're gonna have access to our trading and portfolio management framework. Inside this framework, You have access to a lot of information about portfolio management, what to do and what not to do, because trading is all about following instruction and developing the discipline to follow the instruction. That's what trading is all about. So you're gonna have access to practical live trading. All right, we guide you on live trading and mentorship so that you can be able to control your emotion, so that you can be able to develop the right psychology when trading live account. Then you have access to the profit opportunities. We are not just stopping at the 5K challenge account. If you pass this account and you want to scale, we can actually support you with some funds to add to the next account that you're gonna buy with your money. So it's an added advantage to you, and it's a win-win for every one of you that join this community. So you're gonna write an exam by the time you finish your you know training. You're gonna write exam, and when you pass the exam, you're gonna be given your certificate, which prove that yeah, you've undergo this training and you are a good trader, because we're gonna make sure that you are really a good trader, not just having the certificate alone. You're gonna make sure that you can represent us anywhere you go. You can represent Belahood Capital Limited. All right. So after filling this form, please, please take note. All students are required to make the sum of 300,000 naira payment and attach proof of payment before registration deadline. So registration starts on 1st and it closes on 10th. Please don't forget, the registration starts on 1st and closes on 10th. And the price you see here might change in the future. It might change. It might change because we're not going to run this program at this rate forever. You might come back next time and you see that the price is already 500,000 naira, or maybe 800,000 naira, or 1 million naira. So the earlier the better. All right. So after making the payment using the payment details that will be provided for you in the Telegram community, then you have to write down the account name here, the account number, the amount you paid, the date you make the payment. Write it down here so that we can use it to verify your payment before giving you access to the inner cycle, right? Then make sure you attached the proof of payment, which is the receipt. All right, so this is the course outline. The course outline is structured to transform you as a beginner, whether you have trading experience or not. This course outline is structured to transform you from a beginner to an advanced institutional trader and a professional fund manager. Okay, all students will have access to the video courses, like I said before, and materials while we are undergoing one-on-one virtual mentorship program. So in month one, we're going to focus on the Forex framework. We have mentorship 1, mentorship 2A, mentorship 2B, mentorship 2C, and mentorship 2D in month 1. Then in the second month, we're going to focus on price action model, we're going to focus on market structure, we're going to focus on technical analysis. Under market structure, we have mentorship 4A, we have mentorship 4B. Under technical analysis, we have mentorship 5A and we have mentorship 5B. In the third month, we're going to focus on strategy building. Then we're going to focus on refining your strategy. Under strategic building, we have mentorship 6A, 6B, 6C. Then we have 6D, right? So under the refining or the refinement, we have mentorship 7A and mentorship 7B. The mentorship is entirely structured structured professionally to take you from a beginner to an advanced trader, to turn you from a retail trader to a fund manager, right? So month four, we go deeper into fundamental analysis, then correlational analysis, risk management, trading psychology. Then month five, we go into portfolio management. We have mentorship 12A, 12B for portfolio management. Then mentorship 13, profit fund management, right? Then in the last month, we're going to focus on robotic trading, where we break down how AI trading works, which is artificial intelligence or robot trading or algo trading, whatever you like to call it. So we're going to actually introduce you to automated trading, how you can start using, trading robots to trade the forex market. And you're gonna really enjoy this stage in your trading career, because the way this program is designed is for you to get to a stage where maybe you become busy, you don't really have much time to analyze the market and execute trade on your own. You can, launch the robot, you now start trading with the robot, which means that you're gonna have, access to hybrid AI. You're gonna have access to hybrid AI. We set up the AI for you. You allocate some funds that the robots will be managing for you professionally, and this is the stage that you can now start trading with your own personal capital. And this personal capital is not coming from your personal business or your physical business, is actually coming from your profit. Yeah, this is how professional strategically build their portfolio. They start with profit, and from the profit, they make profit and then fund their personal account. It is because you don't have this information, that is why you started the other way around. You started funding your personal account, making money from there, blowing the account, making money, blowing the account. Then you keep repeating the cycle. It doesn't have end. You're making profit, but you are not making progress. So we want you to become a trader who actually make profit and make progress at the same time. You should be able to grow from 5K to 10K to 50K to 100K, even $1 million. It's so possible, and we have all the structure in place that will really guide you on this journey. So this live trading is more like a competition where we actually, you know, give another account to the best winner. Yes, you see, you can see you're actually in this program to make progress, to grow, right? When we run this live trading challenge, we give you a specific percentage to make on your Profem account. When you make that Profem account, we'll reward you with another account. So you keep growing in the community, right? So here you're gonna sign here and put the date here. Then this is submission instruction. Print and complete this registration form. Make payment of the registration fee. Attach proof of payment, either check or receipt. Then scan or take a clear picture of the completed form. Then send the completed copy via WhatsApp or Telegram. This is the only number you are sending the completed copy to: 08069830560. And this is the Telegram account or handle you are sending the completed copy to. Any of this, either WhatsApp or Telegram. And if you have any change, maybe we change the number, we inform you in the Telegram community. But for now, these are the official contacts you can send the completed copy to. So remember, the registration starts on 1st and it closes on 10th, right? So if you're ready to kill into this program, you get the registration form on first, make the payment as fast as possible, because this lot is not gonna stay like this forever. It might come next month and you see that the registration fee is 500,000 naira, or you might come after some few months, you see that the registration fee is 800 or 1 million naira. So guys, the faster you make decision right now, the better for you. Be the early bird who gonna really enjoy this program as cheap as it is right now, because in the future it's gonna be more expensive for you. Both your time and the finance gonna cost you a lot before you can be part of Belahood Capital Inner Cycle, right? Thank you so much for watching this video to this stage. So expect the registration form on first and see you inside.